Great day, second grade families. It's Mr. Sargent here with another weekly newsletter for the week of October 3rd through October 7th. Hard to believe it's already October. We certainly missed you on Friday, but I hope everybody is safe. Now, this week we're going to start off with school news. Now, this week at GPA on October 5th, from 5:30 to 7:30, we will be having our curriculum night. And as you can see from the flyer here, it is a great way to connect with our teachers, connect with our community, and for you to find out exactly the curriculum and what we're going to be focusing on this year in the second grade. So I encourage all of you to come out Wednesday, October 5th, from 5:30 to 7 o'clock. We cannot wait to see you and be part of this GPA community. Also next week, we are going to be handing out our interim reports. Now, the interim reports will look something like this. They're just a progress reports. It's about halfway through the quarter, so you can see your scholars' progress. So you can see where they are in certain subjects and what we need to work on as we get closer to the end of the quarter. So let's go ahead and get started and talk about what we're going to be doing for ELA this week. Now, as you know, we were not here on Friday, so this week you're going to be starting off with week 3's vocabulary and spelling test in Miss Daniels' class. So you'll be taking that on Monday and turning in all the work that we didn't turn in last week. Then after that, you're going to get the new words for the week. This will be week 4. So let's go ahead and take a look at those words right now. Now, if you look, you will see the words right up here. So let's go ahead and take a look at the week 4 words. Number 1, very. Number 2, after. Number 3, things. Number 4, hour. Number 5, just. Number 6, girl. Number 7, dirt. Number 8, shirt. Number 9, third. Number 10, thirst. Number 11, birth. Number 12, yellow. Number 13, add. Number 14, got. Number 15, life. And number 16, cycle. Now, as always, we'll be getting a packet with where you write the words, define the words, and use them in a sentence, ladies and gentlemen, and that will be due on Friday. Now, also in ELA, you've been reading the story, Little Yellow Leaf. Now, if you like this story, I'm going to highly suggest that you go and check out some of the other incredible books that you can find on Epic. Now, parents, if you're not sure about Epic, Epic is a website with 40,000 different books for students to read. And the more they read, the better they're going to get. Now, I believe Miss Daniels' class code is AWC 7303. So if you are at home and you have a tablet or you have a computer, you can log right on to epic.com or get Epic and type in the class code. You will find the student's and scholar's name. Now, if it's after school hours, the one thing is we're going to need a parent's emails to sign in for it so that they can read whenever they want to. And ladies and gentlemen, that should be a goal this year for our entire class, because the more that we read, the better we get at it. In math, we're going to have limited homework this week. There will be 2 pages because towards the end of the week, there will be a math test, and I believe there will be some measurement on there. So ladies and gentlemen, make sure we're working hard, make sure we're focusing, make sure we're listening and paying attention to Miss Tyson's incredible lessons. And whenever you need help, feel free to reach out and we can see what we can do to help you out. So along with focusing on different cultures of our country, we're going to look at the different geographical regions of our country by studying our map skills. We're going to be practicing how to read a map, how to find directions, and where to locate different states. And we're also going to be focusing a lot on 3 different regions that we can find in every area, and that is going to be the urban setting, the rural setting, and the suburban setting. So we're going to find out how all of these settings and the cultures work together to create a pretty incredible country. And in science, ladies and gentlemen, we're going to hopefully get the experiment that we didn't get done this week done next week, so you guys can see how a cloud is made. Now, along with the cloud, we're going to be studying different weather patterns. We're going to be taking what we're learning in social studies as far as knowing how to read a map, and we're going to see how weather patterns are created, what weather patterns are and how they move across the country and create different weather systems for different parts of our country. Kind of topical right now if you watch the news. And like I said in the beginning of the video, I hope everyone is safe and sound after the storms that we've had this weekend. Now, storms like we've had this weekend are never fun, but hopefully all of you have stayed home and been safe throughout the storms. And most of all, ladies and gentlemen, I cannot wait to see each and every one of you next week. Students on Monday morning, bright and early, ready to learn, ready to lead by example. And parents out there, don't forget about our curriculum night on October 5th. All are welcome. Come out and visit with the teachers as well as learn about what our students will be learning about this year and how best to optimize our students' success this year. So ladies and gentlemen, I hope all of you have a great rest of your day, and I cannot wait to see each and every one of you Monday morning.